Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Mario Jordan, Jordan Team Exp Realty. All right, today we have a open house here in Stone Mountain, 1529 Bellflower Court. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom property. It's a really pretty quiet neighborhood. Let me switch this around so you can see real quick. So it's a pretty quiet neighborhood. It's raining right now, but again, we are in Stone Mountain. 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom property, completely remodeled. So it has a 2-car garage. Here's the front of the house. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of the property. Again, we're having an open house today from 1 to 4, 1529 Bellflower Court. So if you're free, you're in the market for a new house, come on out, come check it out. But in the meantime, I'm gonna give you guys a tour. My connection is a little slow, so hopefully it keeps up. All right, so this is the dining room space. It's all original hardwood. Here's the very front of the house, the family room, or it could actually be an office, whatever you want it to be. And it leads into this space here. Again, all hardwood floors, original hardwood floors, built-in bookshelves, gas fireplace, open concept. There used to be a wall right here. Once it was remodeled, the wall got knocked down, so now we have the open floor concept. Going right into the kitchen, brand new appliances, brand new refrigerator, brand new gas top stove. And we have the little butler's pantry over here. Washer and dryer connection there. Actually, no, I'll take that back. That's the pantry. Sorry, that's the pantry. Here's the breakfast nook. And this is the laundry room. All right, so this is let me show you the backyard real quick. So here's the backyard. Nice sized deck. And there's the backyard. Pretty nice sized backyard too. Privacy fence. This also has a finished basement. The basement's over here. So it does have a finished basement. So it's a little over 1,100 square feet down here in the basement. Has its own bathroom. So this could actually be a live-in suite as well, if somebody wanted to. All right, so let's go upstairs, show you the upstairs space. So bedroom number 1, here's the owner's suite. Hardwood floors. We have a closet over here, and then a small closet over here on the other side of the room. And this is the owner's bathroom. So we have the dual vanity sinks, and we also have the dual shower heads as well. Let's see, I'll go in. So this goes inward, and we have the dual shower heads, the gray tile. And this is the shared bathroom here, the basic sink and the shower tub combination, the overhead shower head, rain down. Bedroom number 2. And it has its own bathroom. This bedroom has its own bathroom. I almost forgot about that bathroom that was added on when the remodeling happened. This is bedroom number 3. And then bedroom number 4. And then there's another bathroom on the main level. It's a half bath. So again, there's a total of 4.5 bathrooms in this house, 4 bedrooms, a finished basement with 2 bonus rooms that could be turned into a bedroom if you would like, or any other type of room that you see fit. All right. So that's pretty much the tour of the house. Again, we're here. My wife will be here soon. So we'll be here from 1 to 4 today, 1529 Bellflower Court in Stone Mountain. Again, if you want to come out, check it out in person, feel free. If you know anybody that's looking, share this or let them know about it.